What's up YouTube? It's your boy Mike, Hawk Crypto Mining, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to secure your crypto. Now, if you're new to crypto or crypto mining for that matter, pay attention because this is very important, and I've fell victim to scams before and losing my seed phrases and all that. So I'm going to talk to you out of pure experience and nothing else. And yes, I have lost thousands of dollars before by forgetting a password to a wallet, or not being careful enough on my iPhone at times. And not only will I share these stories with you, I'm going to show you the best way to secure your cryptocurrency. So let's roll into it. Let's see what we got. Real quick, full disclosure, this video is sponsored by Ellipal. Ellipal gave me their brand new Titan 2.0 cold storage wallet. This is not going to be an unboxing. I already opened it to make sure all the device components were there prior to the review. However, I am going to turn it on and use it with you guys here in this video. So we're going to go through the do's and don'ts first, and then we're going to turn on the Ellipal. Let's get to it. Okay, rule number 1, thou shalt not leave thy crypto on the exchange. Repeat after me. I will not leave my crypto on the exchange. There, you got it. That's the first one. Now, I am going to speak out of pure experience here. When you guys get a hot wallet or a cold storage wallet, for the love of God, write down your seed phrases, laminate them, copy them on 5 different pieces of paper. Don't let anyone see it. Don't take pictures with your phone to save it. Put it away in a safe or an undisclosed location that nobody knows. That's probably what undisclosed means. Anyway, get it away from where anybody is and make sure you remember your passwords. But your seed phrase is probably the most important. Now, some of the core wallets for crypto miners have what's called DAT files. Make sure you save these things too. Back them up on a hard drive, because these encrypted files could also have your seed phrase in them. Be very careful. Don't give any of that to anybody. Okay, so third and final rule, and probably more of an opinion, just don't let anybody see your stuff, guys. Make sure that your crypto wallets, your cold storage devices are in places where nobody knows. If you keep them on your phone, that's fine. Make sure you got a passcode on your phone and hide them in a folder or something, because if your phone gets stolen, at least you can wipe your phone remotely if you have an iPhone. I'm not an Android user, I wouldn't know. But anyway, with that being said, trust nobody when it comes to your crypto. Don't give anybody your seed phrase. Again, I'm going to say this, write it down, laminate it, put it in a box, bury it in the yard. I don't know, prevent somebody getting into your stuff. So that's just it on that front. Okay, so let's get into the Ellipal. Now I'm going to angle my camera down a little bit on my desk so you guys can see exactly what's in the box when you open it. All right, so let's unbox this device. Oh, okay. All right, so it came wrapped in some foam here. Not bad. Now, this is cool. So this is like it's like a phone. Now that's cool. Now I wonder if it came charged. Let's see. Nope, it is completely dead. Oh, no, it's not. There it goes. Sorry, took a second. It also came with a screen protector. Now this is cool. It fits right on here. Perfect size, bada bing. There you go, right? So that's pretty cool. So looks like we have some stuff here. Now, okay, so remember what I said about seed phrases, right? Most companies will give you these types of cards. They'll tell you exactly what it is. You'll get this from the device and you'll write the seed phrase down here. You can laminate this card and put it away. They give you 2 here. So that's pretty cool. So backups to the backups, guys. Definitely, right? This is the user guide. And oh, look at this thing. Oh, that's cool. This is a dock. Oh man, let me see this real quick. Really? Now that's cool. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's cool. They give you a dock. That is awesome. Okay, so it looks like you also have a 16 gigabyte micro SD card. I don't know if you guys can see that there. Yep, there you go. And it looks like it gives you a standard USB-C to USB cable. So that is pretty cool. I really like the dock idea. Let me move this stuff out of the way. I want to play with this for a second. I think this is so awesome. Like very Tony Starkish. I like it. Right? Ta-da! Now that's cool. As you guys can see, I have a 12 Pro Max iPhone, and here's a size comparison. So it's not that big. Actually a pretty decent size. Okay, so it wants me to select English. I'm gonna try to do it this way. And this is for the Ellipal mobile app. This is not any pertinent information here. So I'm going to hit next. Then it will tell me to create an account. Okay, so I could do my account name here. Here we go. It looks great. I really like the platform. It's simple, easy to use. There's nothing that can be stolen on this display, obviously, here, guys, but there's a link to the app in this corner here. You can see your battery life. I mean, you can add assets. It's got tons of tokens, tons of things. Got a camera on the back, so you can take pictures of the QR codes and stuff. You can lock it like a phone, and that's pretty much it. So really, really awesome. Good on Ellipal to create an awesome product. I really like this dock thing, though. This is cool. I mean, this is, honestly, it's the little things, right? I really like this. All right, let's bring the camera up. Real quick, one thing I forgot to cover about this device. On the back of the box, you guys can read here that it doesn't allow for cellular, Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, or NFC. And it's got a bunch of certifications here: anti-disassembly, anti-tamper. I mean, this is like a loaded device. So definitely wanted to show you guys that. I forgot to mention it when we unboxed. So my initial reaction to the Titan 2.0 is I actually kind of like it. It's not bad. It's all metal. It's tough. Looks like it can take a beating, and it's got a cool camera on the back. I mean, it's not very big. And guys, honestly, the navigation menu was awesome through the setup with the seed phrase and stuff, which obviously I wasn't going to show. It was easy to navigate, easy to get through. And even when I was at the wallets and setting stuff up, I mean, it's awesome. The keyboard's not too small. I have big hands, so sometimes it's hard to type, but it was easy for me, no problem. And honestly, guys, come on. This is called the Tony Stark right here. Look at this. Ready? The dock. Ellipal, if you're listening, you guys did great with the dock. Okay? I think I'm going to name it Jarvis. And I'm going to leave it on my desk like that. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys really like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Hawk out.